What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler, and today I'm very excited because I actually got a package in from UBIQ, which is a sneaker store in Philadelphia. It's actually one of my go-to spots because I now live in Philadelphia, and it's for their brand new pair of sneakers that they're releasing for ComplexCon, which is coming up at the end of this week. But really quick, if you have not yet checked out my unboxing channel where I unbox tech that is not sneakers, make sure to do that. There's a link in the description below. It's a lot of fun. I'm going to be doing a sneaker giveaway in the next day or two, so make sure you subscribe to that to find out how you can win. But with all that said, let's find out what's in this giant box, because I don't think it's just sneakers in here. This box is too big for one pair of sneakers unless they got my size wrong. I'm just excited to see what we got. Before I actually pop it open, I want to see if I can guess what's inside. Obviously there's sneakers in there. Oops. Almost got myself. Let's see. I have no idea. I have no clue. Let me put the box off to the side and we'll just kind of dig in, and I'll put each thing in order on the table and we can sort of go from there. It's not just sneakers. This is sick. Oh, there's a note stuck under the sneakers. Hold on a second. There we go. I bent it. That's okay. That's fine. Okay, so as with most promo packages, we've got a note, and I think it actually shows what the sneakers are on the front, so I'm gonna put that down right there and then read the note first before I actually take a look at the shoes themselves. But the note says, "Hi, these are on us. Thank you so much, UBIQ. I appreciate it." And that's the note. The other note says, "Adidas, UBIQ, and the world over, friends and fam." That's sick. This is a friends and family package. We're extending a special invitation to you for our UBIQ x Adidas Consortium ComplexCon experience, where you can create your own customized pair of our upcoming Adidas Boost You Wear X2 Sister City collaborations. No way. That's sick. Okay, I'm definitely gonna be doing this. I can't show you the code because I need to scan that code to get it all worked out, but that's really exciting. Thank you so much, UBIQ and Adidas. I didn't realize it was like that. I thought I was just getting a free pair of shoes, but that's even better. Okay, so first thing inside the box is Atlas socks. Nice. I've been needing some new socks. I also opened this completely wrong. There's like a little door right here, a little door, what am I saying? There's a little flap right here I'm supposed to pull off, but I just ripped off the end of it. Well, that's one way to open these up. You got a nice little green and white Atlas sock with a nice Atlas A. Very cool. You got a white and green Atlas sock. Oh, does it say? It says Atlas by UBIQ in the bottom of this one. That's cool. You guys seriously have to check out UBIQ if you're in Philly. That's my go-to. That really is. Obviously going there met a lot of the people that work there, and they're all really good people. You guys are gonna have a great experience if you go there. It's sick. And then a black pair of socks. That's awesome. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate this. This is sick. I'm gonna be wearing these with the shoes very soon. Okay, so next up inside the box, we've got, what is this? So this is an Atmos UBIQ collab. I was gonna say it's too small for a pair of shoes. This is actually a bear brick. This is the Atmos UBIQ bear brick. I actually only have one other bear brick that I got from Big Boy Cheng when I went to go visit him in the Philippines. Thank you again to him for that. That was awesome. But this apparently is my second, or I guess third and fourth, because the two I got from Big Boy were 400% and 100%, which is what I think this is. Is this not something I'm supposed to cut open? Like, do collectors not open this usually? Or is it not like that? I don't know. Regardless, I'm opening it. Look at that. That's wild. It looks like the outside of the box. Hope these don't fall out. Let's see. Look at this. Look at that. I'm just gonna sit them down so it doesn't fall. Look at that. I now officially have a bear brick collection, apparently. I'm stoked on it too, because the bear bricks I have, I think the one that Big Boy gave me was Marvin the Martian, which is sick. And now I have a dope UBIQ Atmos Globe bear brick, which I really like a lot. This is sick. Thank you guys so much for this. This is awesome. How do people usually set these up? I just have my bear brick like standing next to my desk. I don't have it like doing anything. Should he be like holding the other bear brick? Like a... Okay, this goes back on, right? Ha, good. Ha! What? Why does it keep falling apart? Okay, I'm just gonna leave these guys just in their standard position so I don't mess with them or break them anymore. Thank you guys so much for this. This is awesome. I'm gonna try and not break them any more than I already have. Okay, and then finally inside the box, we've got the main event. Here they are. They come in an Adidas Consortium box. Very cool. Look at that. Got the nice little Consortium printing right there on the top. This is the Crazy Boost You Wear 2.0 UBIQ. Congrats to UBIQ for getting an Adidas collab. This is sick. Let's open these guys up. This is actually really sick. I'm gonna be real with you. I'm not the biggest fan of the Boost You Wear 2.0 silhouette. but this doesn't look anything like the standard Boost You Wear 2.0. This is actually like a complete redesign of that silhouette. And the colorway is solid as well, this black and green. And it's got like this zip sort of lacing system. I guess drawstring lacing system. I should know that. It's a drawstring lacing system. Okay, one's not totally laced up, so I'm gonna go with the laced up one to show you guys. These are really sick. I really like these a lot. So the upper of the shoe comes in this sort of textile mesh, and then you've got fuse overlay around the toe with some really cool like white stitching details that seem to be almost pressed into the upper. You've also got some neon green stitching details right there, which are super cool. Of course, you've got the neon green, or I guess they're Volt colored laces with this drawstring at the end. You've got some text on the tongue right there, which I think those are Korean characters. You know what? Actually, now looking at it, I'm seeing the blue and the red. The midsole of the shoe is just really interesting as well. I really like this sneaker a lot. You've also got these cool like 3D elements on the midfoot of the sneaker as well. They really kind of pop out, both literally and also because they're bright white. It's a cool detail, man. I really dig these a lot. And then of course, you've got this bright neon green outsole with little cut throughs to the Boost. And I didn't even notice. There's actually Boost on the medial side of the sneaker as well. It's painted black Boost. This shoe is fire, man. I didn't know what to expect. I knew what the silhouette was going to be, and I knew that I wasn't a huge fan of the Boost You Wear 2.0s. But now that I'm seeing them in hand and how much they've actually modified the silhouette, unless this is like a different version of the silhouette that I just don't know about, regardless, I think they did a great job with this, and I think the overall shape of the midsole, of the upper, and the materials that they used really pulled this sneaker together. So based on the card that they sent me, it looks like the shoe actually comes in different colorways as well. So you've got white, you've got black. Those are the only two that I know of right now, but I'm sure there are other colorways. And apparently, I get to customize a pair, which I'm super excited about now that I know that. That's sick. For me personally, I think my favorite detail is the midsole. I think the way that they sculpted it is really nicely done. I love the fact that it still has full-length Boost, so it's still gonna be very comfortable underfoot. I also really like this sort of 3D, I don't know what to call this, like 3D detail on the midfoot. I think that's really cool and unique. I've never seen anything like that on a sneaker before. The colorway also I really dig. I like this black with this neon green. I'm glad that they sent me the black one because I think I prefer this to the white colorway personally. You obviously might prefer something different. I don't know you. Unless I know you, in which case, what's up? How you been? These actually look mad comfy. I'm probably gonna throw these on for the flight even, just because that's when I need the comfort for that 6-hour flight from Philadelphia to LA, man. Ugh. Huge thank you to UBIQ so much and Adidas for sending this stuff over. Make sure to stop by UBIQ if you're at ComplexCon. They're gonna have a booth there. Make sure to check out these sneakers because they really are fire, especially in person when you can see them and you can hold them. Don't forget to check out my brand new unboxing channel, which is linked at the top of the description. I do unboxings of everything except for sneakers. Maybe I'll do some sneakers in the future. I'm not totally sure yet. But make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed to that channel, especially if you want to win this giveaway. I haven't told you guys what the giveaway is going to be for yet, but it's an early pair of sneakers and I'm pretty excited about it. So make sure to subscribe if you want to find out how you can win. And as always, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.